All right, so multiple orders of operation, you've got PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, and then multiplication, division left to right, addition and subtraction left to right. So in 7th grade, you're going to have decimals, fractions, and negative numbers. Number 1, you would do your division first, which would give you your 3.9 plus 12.4 minus 7. You would go left to right because it's addition and subtraction. So 16.3 minus 7. You're subtracting from a whole number, so you would put it under the 6 to give you a final answer of 9.3. Number 2, you've got division with fractions, so make sure you remember to put that 1 under the whole number. Follow your keep, flip, change. Bring everything down. Your 36 times 2 is going to be 72 over 3. Don't solve it because you want to keep going, which would give you 72 over 18. And then you would get a final answer of 4 for number 2. Number 3, you've got brackets, so focus on that first. You've got 5 times. You would do your division first, bring everything down, keep finishing your brackets. So 5 times 6, bring everything down. And then in your brackets, you have 30 plus 6 times 2 minus 60. Go ahead and solve your multiplication. So 30 plus 12 minus 60. You're going to go left to right, which would give you that 42 minus 60. And since 60 is bigger than 42, your final answer for number 3 would be negative 18. Number 4, you would do your 5 squared, so 25 plus. Go ahead and do your division, which would be 13 minus 67. Go left to right. So 25 plus 13 would be 38 minus 67. Since 67 is greater, you would subtract and get an answer of negative 29. Number 5, do all your exponents first. So 4 squared is 16 times 3 minus 2 to the 4th power would be 16 plus 21 divided by 7 is 3. Go ahead and multiply, which would give you 48 minus 16 plus 3. Go left to right, which would give you 32 plus 3, with a final answer of 35. Number 6, do your division in your exponents. So 48 divided by 12 is 4, minus 4 to the 3rd power is 64 plus 3. You would go left to right, so you would get negative 60 plus 3, and your final answer would be negative 57. Number 7, you have negative 5 squared, and when you do negative 5 squared, it's going to be negative 5 times negative 5, so you have your little triangle. When you multiply two negatives, you cross them out, and your answer is a positive. So positive 25 times 3 plus 12. Multiply 25 times 3, 75 plus 12, and you get a final answer of 87. Number 8, you would solve 2 squared, which is 4 times 6. Do 25 plus 24. When you solve it, you're going to get your 49 for number 8. Number 9, you've got 4 squared, which is 16, plus your negative 8 times a positive 2. When you multiply a positive and a negative, you're left with a negative, so it's a negative 4. Solve left to right, which gives you a positive 12. 7 to the 3rd power, or 7 cubed, is 343 minus 17 times 5 is 85. Solve left to right, which gives you 258 for number 10.